Okay, I've got my bike pulled out of that barn. This GS is ready to ride, so let's check on John.
Carolyn, are you ready?
Wow, I am ready. What are you excited about?
I am so ready. I am so excited because today I've got the tools. I've got the camera equipment. I got water. I even got a snack.
You've got the snack. Normally, I've got the snack.
I've got the snack. Welcome back, everybody, to the Grand Shamrock Tour. My name is John.
And I am Carolyn. So, hey, John, where are we going to go today?
Carolyn, if loving you is wrong, I don't want a Dee Wright.
Dee Wright? What is that?
Well, it's the Dee Wright Observatory up on the Old McKenzie Highway, and it's open for the season, and I've never been on that road, and I'm so looking forward to it.
Yeah, that Old McKenzie, it's only open certain parts of the year, you know, with the snow and all. But we're going to go up and see what this Dee Wright Observatory is all about.
I have no idea what I'm going to observe, but I know it's going to be with a snack, because I've got loving you is wrong. I don't want to be right. There it is.
Wow. No wonder people are like, what is this thing? It says on the right, but looks like we're going to stay on the left.
Loving you is wrong. I don't want to Dee Wright.
Here we are. Dee Wright.
Hey, what I want to talk to you about is we were on Mount Washington in New Hampshire a couple years ago. And we have our own Mount Washington right here in Oregon.
Yes, we do.
And it's sitting right over there.
There you go.
That's the other Mount Washington.
But it must be windy. It has its own wind.
Yeah,
you know?
It doesn't have the worst weather in North America,
Nope.
like Mount Washington in New Hampshire. But it has a more difficult pathway to get to it. The lava flows out here are just crazy. They're just crazy.
But yeah, we drove through some of the most beautiful roads. I think the road that we were on today was just, well, it was narrow.
It was, and it was curvy.
It has a yellow line between cars, but it was tight.
Hey, we got a Oregon State beaver there. Go Beavs!
Go Beavs!
We've got
go
we have a
Beavs!
son that's a beaver. We also have a duck.
So deal.
What I'm wondering is with that lava flow out there, you think the old Transalp can handle that? You think the suspension?
As long as you go without me.
No.
And you take those little paths, I think you'd be fine. Everybody's gone but us. Look at this. Oh yeah.
Ain't the first time.
Hey, are you getting our snack?
Hey, got a snack. It's snack time.
Oh, thank you. Finally. I thought you'd never ask.
So I set up this Insta360. Carolyn's going to figure out how to make all this stuff work. I think it's a pretty good spot without making everybody seasick. And I won't be going too fast, but I won't be going too slow, if you know what I mean. All right, here we go.
Trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light.
Oh yeah. Okay, thank you.
15 mile an hour was coming in.
Feels like things are gonna go my way.
Okay. Yep, he was over.
Well, as you can tell, everyone, we had an amazing ride, and we couldn't wait to tell you about it, and we did.
Ooh, okay,
Well, we were up top at the Dee Wright, and when we got home and we looked at this video, we couldn't hear a word we said.
Yeah. It's kind of like, what did you learn when you were at the Dee Wright Observatory?
I learned it's very windy at top of the Dee Wright Observatory.
And you couldn't hear anything, but we did learn we could use some new microphones.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, if we're really going to tell this story, John, we're going to need a new microphone. First off, I don't speak loud enough, and it is hard to hear us on the helmets.
Carolyn doesn't really speak very loud unless I'm doing something wrong. So,
nice.
Anyway, what we did do is we put a couple of the microphones in there, so you'll be able to hear us next time that we do a video for you. But I do want to say, that road up there, the McKenzie Pass, boy, it's an eye-opener. It's really great. We live in a part of North America that I think everybody needs to explore at some point in time.
Well, and I love looking at the maps. I love seeing all the roads that we've done, but there's so many that we haven't done. And so we got down on the 242. We ran into Joanne. She said, why would you even make a Shamrock loop? You should just go directly back. And so we did. Right,
as far as Shamrocks goes, the only thing that trumps a Shamrock is a real wiggly road. And so that twisty road was way too inspiring to not repeat. So we did, and we really do enjoy the rides. We enjoy what we've been doing the last couple of weeks. We've been we're back at it. Let's just say that, right? Been working on a bike barn for a while. Been working on a couple of things, and it's been a little bit of a challenge. And so nothing refills our sails like a good motorcycle ride. But we've been doing those rides, which you saw. We've been doing some of these Transalp install videos, right?
The Transalp, yeah. Right. You're kind of building your bike the way you want it.
Right, and it's just what we're storytelling. If you like these things, this content, we'd appreciate it if you would give us a big like, subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. We're this close to 1,000.
1,000 subscribers?
Yeah.
After 3 years?
Only 3 years. Only 3 years.
Yeah.
But it's been so worth it. It's been so valuable, and we appreciate you guys out there. So please like, subscribe, and if you do us a favor, leave a comment about what you like or what you'd like to see us do more of.
Yeah, or share it with a friend.
Yeah, share the videos. That's a real big thing, because what we'd like to do is be able to reach out and touch more people and inspire you guys to do what we found for 45 years is the best part of our life, right?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Well, except the kids.
And on that note, travel safe.
And we're looking forward to seeing you out on the road.